This is the flip stop and a digital readout on the Martin T60 saw. And what I have is this measuring unit rides on this chrome half-round track on this side and that side of the fence. And the flip stop, if you recognize it, is somewhat out of square with the run of the fence on this outrigger. So I've made this pushing mechanism out of a piece of old walnut and some 1/8 steel rod, and I'm going to push this nylon rail rider. There's 4 of them, 2 of them here and 2 of them down here. I'm going to push this one of them out with these little C-clamps. And how I started it was to put a center clamp in there to hold it in position, the pushing mechanism, and mount the other 2 clamps on there, and then begin pushing. And you can see that I've got it riding up a little bit out of there compared to the other sides. So we'll just give it a little bit more and it should come out of there. It's just press fitted in there. It's a piece of nylon. So with that, I don't know if you can see it. You can see the channel that it has in there. Let me see. There we go. You can see that half-round channel on each of these 4 nylon riding pawls. And once I get it out of there, I'm going to file the back end of this where it seats up against the aluminum housing in order to bring the flip stop back into square with the outrigger fence. So just thought I'd show that to you, an interesting thing. There's no adjustment per se in the flip stop or the mounted digital readout mechanism here. So I'm left with this side with some screws that fit in these 2 holes. Brings pressure against these other 2 rail nylon riders, and consequently you have to either skinny this one or put 2 or 3 thousandths thickness shim behind this other one. So I've elected just to go ahead and file it and see if I can bring it around into square for the flip stop. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.